While you've got the cluster apart, it's a good time to clean the glass, and I'll show you a trick to cleaning the glass with a little Windex. Take off this little thing. Well, maybe it'll just pop off. Take off this frame, and then this just pops out, almost disappears in the sun, and you can bring that in the house and clean it with a little Windex, which I just did, and it really needed it. That goes back on there like that. Here, I'll stand in the sun, maybe that'll help. This goes back on like that. Then this little plastic, almost rubbery gasket goes there. So now the lenses are nice and clean. Before I screw this cluster piece back together, I wanted to show you something. I saw this in another video. These 6 little pieces of rubber they flew all over the car. Let me see here, I gotta pull this out, pull this off, pop that out. So these 6 little pieces of rubber go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I have a little rubber cement I have bought for another project. I never used it, so I think I'll use that. Just put a little dab on there and glue those down. They must cushion the, they probably cushion the lens, keep it from rattling. So that's one little thing you might notice. I found these all over the car, and didn't know what the heck they were, but I did see them in another video, so I wanted to point that out.